Hey, 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 yo, whoa, whoa, hey, yo, whoa, whoa, yo, what's up, yo. Chromatic is my character. She's so romantic, she fantastic, I might marry her. I couldn't bury her. She fits so perfect in my arms. It's no alarm, but she might spend her life behind these bars. And I'm so armed. I fit so perfect in that grave of mine. This gravy train just ran around, I sound just like a mime. I really fell behind, I get it. In fact, I'm in disguise, but I'm disgusted, let's discuss it. Am I doing fine? Yo, I think you do divine, I think you're just not focused. So boy, let's get in line. Despite the height, let's get that light that shines, that grows. What's on your mind? I just don't think you focus. I don't think you focus. You just get focused, get focused, get focused. Invoking the hocus, the pocus, the locus. I know it, just show it. Low key, developmentally honing and lo and beholding my ghost kids, and they haunting me daily. I'm so evil, just haunting. Chew me slow down and chew me slowly, strike me down